All right, I've got some BMW news for you guys. If you're new to my channel, my name is Denver. I'm a client advisor here at Parkview BMW in Toronto, Canada. And today I'm gonna go through the 2023 i4 Retail Ordering Guide. We have the edrive40 and the M50. There was a price increase from last year. So let's hop into the product bulletin, show you guys all the pricing. Do me a quick favor before we get into it. Just smash the like button down below. It helps me out so much with YouTube's algorithm. All right, let's get into the numbers.
All right, thankfully this year BMW gave me a product bulletin that's highlighting the differences. So the first thing that we want to see, the edrive40 received a $6,400 price increase. Across all of the models that BMW is offering for 2023, the edrive40 i4 got the largest price increase compared to anything else. The M50 got a $3,000 price increase, and they are going to highlight the changes. So standard changes, no longer Sand-Stick dashboard is a standard feature, but we do now have active protection on the edrive40. Looks like the Premium Enhanced package decreased by $400, but we also lost a few items. The BMW Iconic Sounds, the Storage Compartment package, and that Active Protection because that's now standard feature. Looks like the Advanced Driver's Assistance package with Active Stop and Go Cruise Control is temporarily unavailable on the edrive40. M Sport package stayed the same price, but there's a few adjustments on the inside with the Adaptive M suspension increasing in price and now being part of that M Sport package. M Sport Pro package increase in price. The Adaptive M suspension is now out of the Pro package and just in the normal M Sport package. And it looks like on the M50, the M Sport Pro package includes the red M Sport brakes and is new to that package as we didn't have that last year. That package also includes the Shadowline headlights, the M rear spoiler, and the high gloss black kidney grille. Now you can still order the high gloss black kidney grille separate, but as you'll see in the following ordering guides, the red M Sport brakes and the Shadowline headlights are only available inside the M Sport Pro package. Then we get into the standalone changes. So red M Sport brakes, no longer standard feature. Shadowline headlights, no longer standard feature, like I said. Driver's lumbar support is new. Before it used to be lumbar support and then it would be like a $100 credit. Now you just have driver's lumbar support. Sand-Stick dashboard is now a standalone option. The M seatbelts have been removed from the M50. The Napa leather dashboard has increased by $400. And we have carbon fiber trim for the first time on the edrive40. Carbon fiber exterior package on the M50 also increased by $800. That was basically all the big differences from last year. Now we'll get into the actual ordering guide. So you can see the start of production for the i4 is July 2022. The first page of the ordering guide, we're going to have our base MSRP options and then our paint options. So you take your base MSRP. If you don't want to add anything else, Alpine White is a no charge option. Then you get into your metallic paints, $895 for most. Some of them are $1,450, and Frozen Portimao Blue that you'll see in the advertisements is $4,900. On the next page, it's time to pick your interior options. So there's 4 no charge interior options. You have beige, Tacora red, cognac, and black. All of them are going to be the synthetic leather Sand-Stick that's perforated. Then you have Vernasca leather, it's $1,900. Then you have that in a few options. And then you have individual merino leather. This is new for this year. As of 2022 BMWs, you couldn't get it. So it looks like the edrive40 won't be able to get the full merino leather, where only the M50 won't be able to get the full merino, but that's still a step forward. On the next slide, we have those last few merino leather options. Then we get into the packages for the M50. You have your Premium Essential package, 4 items: heated steering wheel, comfort door access, galvanic controls, and ambient lighting. And then you have your Premium Enhanced package, which is going to include a few more items. Mainly the parking assistant, the Harman Kardon sound system, the BMW live cockpit, now with the curved display screen. I believe this is augmented reality, and then head-up display, and everything from Essential package. Then we have the M Enhanced track package, only available on the M50. The M Technology package is just the larger front brake discs, and the 20-inch wheels with the rear M spoiler. Moving on to the next slide, we have Premium Essential package for the edrive40. Essential package includes so much stuff. I don't know why you would get an edrive40 without the Essential package, but at the same time, that just brings that price point up so much where it makes more sense maybe to just get the all-wheel drive, because a lot of the things that are normally standard feature on a BMW, like heated seats, power steering seats, driver's assistance, all of that stuff is automatic climate control. All of that is part of the edrive40 Premium Essential package. Now for the 2022 i4 made sense. Base MSRP was just under $55,000 and it was applicable for the Canadian EV credit. Now the price point is past. We don't know if it's going to get a credit or not, and you still have all these things that aren't a standard feature on the car. On the next slide, $4,000 more for that Premium Enhanced package, and you're getting the storage compartment package, galvanic controls, ambient lighting is part of the Enhanced package, the Iconic Sounds is part of the Enhanced package, the parking assistant with 360 plus, Harman Kardon sound system, head-up display. The time that you go to all of this stuff, you could have just gotten M50, have more horsepower and all-wheel drive, but you're giving up comfort items. Advanced Driver Assistance Package only available on that M50. Traffic Jam Assistant, Driving Assistant Professional, and then basically everything inside Driving Assistant Professional is all of the Z codes with steering and lane control, evasion assist, cross traffic warning, active stop and go cruise control, and etc. M Sport package is standard on the M50, so that's why you're only seeing it on the edrive40 here. It's going to change the whole look of the vehicle. So front bumpers, rear bumpers, high gloss black trim, some M Sport wheels, potential M Sport brakes or adaptive M suspension if you want to add that on. At the very bottom we have the M Sport Pro package, and that's going to include the red M Sport brakes, Shadowline headlights, the M rear spoiler, and the high gloss black exterior content. We get into the standalone options like that, adaptive M suspension on the edrive40, that's standard on the M50. So we start adding in a lot of these additional price. They come standard on the M50, and the price point to get to the M50 is really not that far off. And then as well as universal garage door opener, and then we get into different wheel options. Now we also have the ventilated seats are available on the i4, as well as the lumbar support, the 50-year emblems on the M50, and rear heated seats as well. Getting into the different trim options as well, carbon fiber trim, like I said, is now available for the edrive40, optional laser light headlights, wireless charging tray, that M carbon fiber exterior package, high gloss black exterior content if you want it, aluminum fabric trim. Now it does show you that there's like certain adapters and chargers there that are no charge, but like that's standard equipment, so I'm not sure why that's in the options package. But you can also get the exterior accents in the BMW i Blue at a no charge option on the edrive40. Now the i4 is part of BMW's individual paintwork option, so if you want just normal individual paintwork, it's $3,900, or if you want some frozen paints, it's $4,900. Then we're going to get into the standard features for the BMW i4. Keep an eye on the left category and the right category for which item is standard on which model. I couldn't really find too much new here from last year, just besides that Sensitech dashboard. Finishing up with the standard features, and then we move into all the different wheel options. The rest of the slides are just going to be showing you guys what the different wheel options are and the wheel specs.
Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys appreciate this content. If you made it all the way to the end, make sure you subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, come visit me if you need a BMW, reach out to me at my email down below, or direct message me on Instagram. Share this video with your friends and family. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next one.